Having some issues and with my brakes, and I don't know if it's the wheel bearing, so I'm checking the wheel bearing right now. I have it jacked up off the ground and I'm going from 6 and 9. You see that on the side? I can feel it wobbling when I go on the sides back and forth, so I don't think that's good for the bearing. See, like you can almost see it on the video. But if I go from top to bottom, it doesn't wiggle like it does from side to side. So that could be a couple different things, but testing if you have wiggle. And I definitely have wiggle, but I was having issues on both sides, so that was my first step here. Yeah, so I have wiggle from side to side, but not from 6, or yeah, not whatever, 3 and 9 on the sides, and then yeah, 6 and 12 I don't. So it's wobbling from 3 to 9. Okay, so that's just a tip. Shouldn't wobble like that either. Yeah, so there's something wrong.